boy, Michael, and your boy, Daniel. Daniel, show your face.
Yo!
Yeah, we're going to be showing you guys how to factor, alrighty, kids? You guys ready to learn some factoring? Alright, here's our first thing. I know it's inverted, but, you know, I'm going to fix that later in the editing, so, like, I don't really care. So what you want to do first is use the X method. The X method is pretty good. I personally like it the best. First, so the one that goes in the bottom is this. So like you multiply x squared times 20, so that'd be 20, and then you put 9 up at the top. All right. So then you gotta find two numbers that add to equal this and multiply to equal that. So that would be the 4 and the 5. So you gotta put 4 and 5. All right, kids. And that's pretty easy actually, because we don't have a number in front of this one. So we gotta just, you know, do x plus 4 and x plus 5. See, that was a pretty easy equation, but what happens if there's a harder equation? Well, we'll find out when Daniel does the next one. See you later.
Yo! What's up? Today we are going to factor this equation. 6x squared minus 16x plus 10. So you start by doing the x, little x factoring thing. So since this equation has the a, you're going to have to multiply the a times the c. So you get 60 on the top and negative 16 on the bottom. So that would be negative 10 and negative 6. So you would do 6x squared minus 10x, and then actually minus 6x, and then do minus 10x plus 10. And then you would split these and then just do the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor here is 6x. So you'd put that outside the parentheses. And then for the greatest common factor for this one is negative 10. So you do negative 10. And then from here you just do x minus 1. And whatever's left over on these is the answer. And there's your answer. X minus 1, 6x minus 10.
Whoa!
Easy done.
Wow! Alright guys, back with another video. Yeah, get out of here, Israel. I don't want you in the camera. This one's a little bit...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would...
More of a harder question. See, it has an equal sign in it. That's kind of spooky, right? So it's pretty simple to solve. All you want to do is subtract 4 and put it on this side, alright? So it'd be x squared. Come on, get over here. Show them. So it'd be x squared plus 3x. And then you want to just subtract 4x on each side. So then it'd be 4x. I mean, not 4x. Sorry, just 4. So it'd be just x squared plus 3x minus 4. So then you do the same thing again. You do a times c, which would be negative 4, which would be on top. And then the b would go in the bottom part of the x. Then that's simple from here. All you gotta do is negative 4 and negative 1. So that would mean that it multiplies to equal negative 4, adds to equal 3. So there we go. That's a simple factor. It would be so x plus 4 and x minus 1. So that was kind of a simple one, but you know, it's threw a twist in it. So yeah. Alright guys, so Daniel kind of has like a freaky question looking over here. I don't even know what this is, so let's just have him figure it out. Alright Daniel, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright,
so today we're going to solve x squared minus 49. So how you start is how you always start with the x. So you do negative 49 and 0 because there's no b. So you do negative 7, doesn't look like a 7, and 7 because that adds up to 0 and equals negative 49. So you do x minus 7 and x plus 7.
Or you can write it the other way.
Or the other way. And that's how you do it.
The other way. X plus or minus 7. X equals plus or minus 7.
Yeah, you could do that.
Equals.
I don't even know if you can do
equals. Not with parentheses.
What do you mean?
All right, guys. Since Daniel doesn't know what he's doing,
We're not solving it.
Yeah. No.
We're just factoring.
No. You could do x equals
Can
plus
you do that?
or minus 7.
That's the answer. We're not doing the answer.
Approved by Miss Simon.
We're not solving the answer though.
And it's all recorded.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.